Good morning to all the students. I am Shubhangi Gondani from Mechanical Engineering Department, and today we see about the manual part programming, how the program is writing with the help of this manual part program. So NC numerical part programming, the part program, a computer program to specify which tool should be loaded on the machine spindle, what are the cutting conditions, that is the speed, feed, coolant, on, off, etc. The start point and end point of the motion segment, how to move the tool with respect to the machine. The standard part programming languages are RS-274D, that is a Graeber GN codes. So controlling the CNC machine RS-274. The RS-274D is a word address format, and each line of the program, that is one block. Each block is composed of several instructions, that is in the word. The sequence of the word problem is N3, that is the sequence number. G2 is the preparatory function. X, Y and Z, it is a destination coordinate. I, J, K, it is the distance to center of the circle. F, it is a feed rate. S, it represents the spindle speed. T4, it is a tool. And M2 is a miscellaneous function. So manual part programming. This is a diagram which is related to the manual part programming. The tool size. The tool size is 0.25. The feed rate is 6 inch per meter. Cutting speed is 300 RPM. Tool start position is 2 and 2. Programming in inches. So this is a diagram which is related to a triangle and in which you have to groove this semicircle. The length is the 5 inch and the height is also a 5 inch. The motion of the tool, that is a P0. The motion of the tool you have to carry it out with respect to this P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P1 and P0. So P0 is the position 2 by 2. P0 is the position with respect to x-axis 2 and y-axis 2. P1 it is the position with respect to x-axis 4 and y-axis 4. P5 is the position P2 and again it is goes to the system. So this is the first step of programming the parameter. This is the first step. The programming in inch. So for programming in inch we have write down the G70. Use the absolute coordinate. Therefore you have to write down G90. Feed in IBM. Therefore, the G94 code is required. G97 can represent the spindle speed in RPM, and M04 can be represent the spindle. It is in clockwise direction. So this is a position of the tool from P0, P1, P2, P1 to P5, P4 and P3. The second step, set up the machining condition. For set up the machining condition, the tool can be moved N20, that is G70. Machine can be moved in XY plane. G75, use the full circle interpolation. F is the feed rate. S300 is the spindle speed which is given. T, that is a 1001, that is a tool number. M01, that is a coolant position on. So these cursor goes to M to minimum P1 position. It goes to the minimum P1 position. Move tool from P0 to P1 in a straight line. You can move this position with respect to the P0 and P4. The P4 having a point 4 and 4. So the step is N030. D01, that gives a linear interpolation because your tool can be worked through in straight line. X you have to find out, and Y, that is the position which is you have to find out. So the X is equal to 4 minus 0.125. 4 minus 0.125, that is a distance which is minus with respect to this dimension. That is a roller dimension 0.125 clearance, and Y, that is a 0.125 tan 22.5. The 22.5, it is a distance with respect to this dimension, that is that is a 3.978. So x is equal to 3.387 and y is equal to 3.698. Next, that is a cut profile from P1 to P2. P1 to P2. This is the dimension P1 to P2. So the linear interpolation N040 G01 x is fixed position 3.875. Now your y changes. The y changes. These 5 is added with respect to the y dimension. These 5 is added with respect to the y dimension. Therefore, the command is N40 G01 y 9.125. The x coordinate does not changes in the program. The fifth position, that is a cut profile from P2 to P3. P2 to P3 you have to cut profile. Therefore, you have to carry out the calculation y 9 0.125, that is 9.125. So, with respect to 6.5 x square plus 0.125 square, that is a 1 minus 0.125 square. So, x is equal to, therefore x, that is you have to find out, therefore x is equal to 5.6.3. So, N50 G01 x is equal to 5.6.3 and y is equal to 9.125. Sixth position, cut along the circle from P3 to P4. This is the position of the eye. So N060 G03, that is a circular interpolation of clockwise motion. The target is x. The position of the x with respect to this is 7.36, y is 9.128, I is 6.5 because it gives the center position, and j is 9. J position is 9. That is the interpole. Seventh is cut from P2 to P5. P2 to P5, this is a cut. So N70 G01 and x is position with respect to 9.302. The 5 is added, this distance is added with respect to x dimension, and therefore it is 9.302. 8, that is cut from P5 to P1. P5 to P1, this is a cut. This is the position of the cut. So N08 G01, linear interpolation. X, it is the position of x, that is the original position. X is equal to 3.875 and y is also 3.698. Return to the home position and stop position. So N90 G01 X2 Y2 and M30, that is the end of the program. So the complete program with RS275 program is N010 G70 G90 G94 G97 M14. The tool, feed rate X30, Y 3.693, then Y is fixed, X is fixed, Y is changes. In the second position, Y is fixed, X is changes, and in respect to counterclockwise or semi circle drawing, X is 7.366, Y 9.125, I 0.866 and J 0.125. Then for last position, X position is 9.320. The initial position is X is 3.875 and Y is 3.963, and therefore the original position of P0 is X2, Y2 and M30. So in this way the program can be written with respect to the manual part programs. So thank you.